going to show you how to create this fern leaf on this canvas. We're going to start off with a blank canvas, not painted, and we're going to take our stencil, and I got this one from the TCW line, and I'm going to choose a fern, and I'm going to put it in the corner like so. Place it up in the corner so it wraps around. Make sure you hold it down, and then I'm going to take a credit card or any kind of stiff card and pick up some modeling paste or texture paste. Get it across the whole card, and you start outside of the line and you bring it forward. Start from outside of the design and bring it in, and then you can go down over the design center. So pick up more as you need. Always start from the outside, bring it in. If you want to tape off the other designs here so you don't get it through that, you can. I'm just going to go back and wipe it off after I'm done. When I'm done and I lift off my design. So after you have this on here, go back and forth. It doesn't have to be smooth, but go back and forth. Put your card down and then lift this off. And any little bit that you got over you don't want there, just wipe it off. So there you have it. So I'm going to let that dry overnight. Now that our texture paste is dry, I'm going to try and sand it down just a little bit to get some of the sharp edges off. You want to have a little texture, but you really don't want a whole lot of those raised peaks.